It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. Real quick, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm. And when you get a chance, please share this video. I'd really appreciate it. Today's video is a really fun video all about how to transform a room with a rug. Next to paint, a rug is one of the quickest, cheapest ways to transform a room. No matter large or small, round or rectangular, a rug can make a huge impact in a room. Rugs are functional, provide color, pattern, and texture, and serve as a base to build the room's design style. There are tons of rug manufacturers, but my favorite is Safavieh. When pulling footage for this video, I quickly realized that most of the rugs in my home are from Safavieh, and many of the rugs that I put in my clients' home designs are also from Safavieh. Why Safavieh? 3 reasons: quality, price, and variety. Here's a quick montage of Safavieh rugs that I've included in many of my room designs. Prices vary from a couple of $100 to a couple of $1,000. From flat weave to natural fiber and low pile, shag, and wool or wool blend, Safavieh just has it all. Next up, I have a demo of me updating the rug in my Afro Boho styled living room. I purchased my Safavieh rugs from either Overstock, Wayfair, or even Amazon. This particular rug I got on sale at Overstock. This Safavieh rug is the Floria Modern Wool Hand Tufted Area Rug in size 10 by 14, and the color is cement. For this rug update, I really wanted a wow factor rug. I looked at so many rugs, and I was so thrilled when I finally found this one. I wanted to stay with a neutral base, but pull more of that rust red from the sofa and the wallpaper and add more turquoise into the room. The rug was very well packaged and easy to unroll. After rolling it out, I let the rug sit and rest overnight to let the fibers acclimate to the temperature in the room. The next day, I was up and ready to go. Don't you just love when you get something new in a room? If you do as well, please drop a comment below. Let me know. I will say that this rug has quite a bit of weight to it. It's pretty heavy. I was able to maneuver it around the room by myself, but you might need some help, so make sure you have 2 people when you're opening it up. The new rug got me so excited, I decided to make some other changes. I hung a pair of new curtains, sewed a pair of new Kuba cloth pillows, and I even painted the fireplace black. Now let's see the full rug transformation room reveal. I love it when I do something new to a room and it inspires me to do even more. The neutral colors in this rug allow the bold colors to really pop, and the muted tone of the rust red and the turquoise are a perfect complement to the colors that were already in this room. Are you inspired to add a new rug in your home? Let me know in the comments section below. The Afro Boho design style has 5 main characteristics. 1 being the use of bold, vibrant colors with carefully curated neutrals for balance. When deciding to add rugs to your home, remember, rugs are functional, provide color, pattern, and texture, and serve as a base for building the entire room design style. I'm definitely a big fan of Safavieh rugs, but whatever rug you decide to use that fits your style, happy designing. Thank you so much for swinging by my channel. Why don't you go ahead and click a link and watch one of my videos right now? Hey, you might even binge watch a few. So I will see you in the next video.